Hi, everybody. The purpose of this screencast is just to help prepare you all for really the macOS Mojave upgrade. We have already pushed out iOS 12 to all the school iPads, and the changes introduced in iOS 12 aren't that significant from what I can see so far, in that they're going to affect your workflow. But there are a couple changes in macOS Mojave that will. I spoke about this at the department meetings this week, and in case you missed that or need more information, I'm going to take this screencast right from the top, break it apart into two sections. One where I talk about uh, the printing issue and how to print uh, from Adobe Acrobat Reader, and then another one where I show how to print from Chrome. So to take it right from the top, uh, once again, the purpose of this screencast is to prepare you for the changes that will happen to your computer when we upgrade it to macOS Mojave. Um, my computer is currently running um, version 10.14.1, and in the next few months, we'll upgrade all our computers, all our Mac computers, to this operating system. The reason we do that, of course, is for security. The most updated operating system is always the most secure, and it's what Apple recommends. So that's why we do that. There's a couple paths to upgrade. The first one is, you can log in or open up the App Store and download the installer. If you download it while you're on campus, it will go a lot faster. And then install it using your personal Apple ID. Uh, we I don't do anything to stop you from doing that. The second upgrade path is to for us to do it remotely, and so we can cache that in that installer file on your computer in the background while you're on campus, and then trigger it to install. And of course, we'd let you know before that happens. We can also manually put the driver on your computer in person. So those are three ways you can get to macOS Mojave. All right. So big change in Mojave is from High Sierra, which is what everyone's running now, is that they that it doesn't the operating system doesn't play well with other applications, specifically those extra features you get when you're trying to print to the Xerox copy machine. And with any copy machine where you're using extra features such as accounting codes, secure printing, hole punching, stapling, color, if your copier has a folding attachment or a booklet maker, any of those extra features, you can't access those menus when you're printing from Apple specific applications such as Preview, Safari, Pages, Numbers. Trying to think of the name of their PowerPoint. It might be called Presenter application. So Apple specific applications can't access those menus. And the workaround is to use Adobe Acrobat Reader. It should be installed on everyone's computers at this point, but if it's not, let me know. You can also install it from self-service. So to open up Adobe Acrobat Reader, I'm going to press Command Space to get the Spotlight search to open. You could also click on this magnifying glass right there, and I'm going to type it in. So I start to type Adobe Acrobat Reader. I can see it's pulling up this application. I'll go ahead and press Enter. And say I've downloaded this PDF off the internet, and I want to open it for printing. Doesn't look like it's available, so let me pause this, and maybe I won't pause it. Let's go to, we'll look for it in my computer. It should be in my downloads folder. So I'm going to open up this PDF. And so say I want to print this PDF for my classroom because we're learning about the benefits of having a growth mindset when going through changes, or going through a learning process. And I want to like have this visual poster on the wall so students can look at it. And I want to print it in color because I like color more than black and white, and the copy machine's where I go to print to color. So I got it opened here. And after that, I can click on this icon that looks like a printer. Next, I can choose the copy machine. Under printer here, I can click on this icon right here. And I can see it's loading my preset. Sorry for all these spinning balls. I've got a lot of applications open on my computer right now. So here's the Xerox features menu, which you can see. You won't be able to see this menu in preview, of course. Apple doesn't allow it. But in Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can. So in this job type, it's a secure print, so that's an extra feature. It's going to be two-sided and in color. So I've gotten all that chosen. I'll go ahead and click print, put in my accounting code, click OK, and then click print, and it's going to go to the printer. So that's how you print to the printer using Adobe Acrobat Reader, and you're going to use that instead of Chrome. All right, thanks for watching. And in the next screencast, I'll cover how you print out of Google Chrome.